Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2006 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic with 68,259 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with adjustable push rods, TRIKE kit, rear bumper, Mustang seat, open air intake, fuel cap, grips, luggage rack, exhaust, windshield and windshield trim, wind deflectors, and a primary cover. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin motor, the ELECTRA Glide puts 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With plenty of power, spacious storage, and classic Harley style, the ELECTRA Glide is a great option for a touring motorcycle. It has a stock weight of 788 pounds and a 27.3-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.